Welcome back to Griddle Grub, everybody. Today we are going to be making a big, fat, giant breakfast sandwich. Let's get in, check out these ingredients because it's going to be a good one. So we got some king size English muffins here that are going to be good. Then we got some patties that I made from some breakfast sausage. We got eggs. I'm going to be putting 2 eggs per sandwich. And then we got some bacon right here. And I'm also making more bacon for another meal, but yeah, then we got some butter. We got cheese right here, 1 piece per sandwich, and then veggies. You know I got veggies on my stuff. We got serrano pepper, yellow pepper, and onion. And let's get the cook started. All right, y'all, we're ready here. Got the griddle heated up. We're at about 400 over here. Let's get this bacon going. Now I'm cooking a bunch of extra because I'm going to be making another video later tonight. It's going to be some good eating on that one. Really excited for that. Alright. Get this all going. I think we got like 8 or 9 pieces. Something like that. And it's supposed to be thick cut, but they definitely lied. It's a little thick on the outside, but very, very thin on the inside there. Yeah, good enough. Alright. Get that out of here. Let's get this sausage on. First, let me wipe my hands. Get all that nasty off. Alright. Let's get the sausage on here, these sausage patties. Alright. Good with that. Boom. Alright, so we got this bacon cooking up nicely. And these sausage patties, I just got a tube of breakfast sausage, made some balls, and then smashed them down with a little patty maker. And yeah, so them turned out real nice actually. Real happy with that. So this stuff's not going to take long. You know, I'm going to throw the veggies on over here. Let's just get that stuff going. Put a little olive oil down. All right. Oh, that's up the bacon. Alright, there we go. Try to get as much of them seeds as I can because I love me some spice. Alright, we're done with that. Put a little salt and pepper on the veggies. Alright, turn that up. Sweat it out, get it nice and happy. Alright, let's let that go for a few. Now I got on my burners. We got both of these two are on low, these two are on medium. And this piece of bacon is just about ready to go. There we go. Come on, baby. Yeah, that one's cooked up real quick. Yeah, they're thin. When it's thin cut, man, that stuff cooks up real fast. So I'm gonna, yeah, let's give that a flip. Oh yeah, that's cooking up nice. Oh yeah. All right, so this stuff's cooking up real quick. I'm gonna get rid of some of this grease. There's a ton of it from these sausage patties and the bacon. Just try and clear a little room. I don't want my veggies to get all mushy, so keep them away from that. And the veggies are done right now. I got this burner off now, so we're just collecting some of this. Get a little bit of that out of there. All right, now let's give this bacon a flip here. Oh yeah, this is just about done. Yeah, when it's thin, man, that stuff cooks fast. I'm gonna keep these down here a little farther where it's warmer. We're good. See how this is doing? Oh yeah. Looking good. All right, bacon's done. Let's get that off. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna set that aside. That's good. Here, let's move this over here where it's a little warmer. Let's do a little housekeeping. All right, so the bacon's done, the veggies are done. These are just about done. Now I'm gonna get the eggs going here. Spread that around. That's a little bit of olive oil. Get that good. Now I'm gonna throw some butter down too. Yeah, buddy. Keep that going. The oil helps the butter from burning when you put that on there first. Alright. That looks good. Alright, let's get some eggs going. I got 4 eggs here. Alright. There. Come on, baby. I'm trying not to get any shell in there. Alright. Get one right here. Now our temperature is at about 350, which I've said before I'd like to be around 250 to 300, but no worries. That's gonna cook up just fine. Alright, wipe my hands. Sanitizing wipes. Alright, put a little salt and pepper on them. Then I'm gonna crack the yolks. Because we don't really do over easy on our sandwiches. Just the skillets. So let's give these a flip real quick. Boy, that looks good. Alright, here we go. Let's crack some yolks here. Alright, there we go. Let's let them cook up for just a hot second. I'm going to cut these just so nothing's going to stick. Alright, let's let them go for a second. These, I'm going to take these sausage patties off. These are done. Alright. Make sure that don't fall. Alright, veggies are done. I'm going to turn these burners off too. So all the burners are off right now. We're just letting these eggs cook up. Alright, I think we're good to flip now. There we go. And we personally don't mind a little bit of browning on ours. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Alright. Boom. Trying to keep it out of the veggies. Alright, we're good. Just flip that up there. Cool. Alright, so we're going to get these English muffins toasted. Just going to spray a little bit of that down. This is the olive oil spray. Spray some of that down, get them cooking up. Oh yeah. The eggs are just about done. Alright, so I almost forgot to add some cheese. We're just throwing some American cheese on. Let's just plop it right down over some eggs. The eggs are done. And we just got these English muffins heating up, so let's see how them are looking. Oh yeah, they're browning up real nice. Alright, so let's put this bad boy together. Ooh, got a nice crust on there. Let's put the sausage down first. Yeah, these shrunk up a lot more than I thought they would, so that's sad. But we'll make do. Put a little bit of egg right there. Gonna put the veggies on. That surround is gonna be hot. I know it. All right, then we're gonna throw some bacon. More bacon. You know we're putting more. All right, put that in there. All right, now we're gonna throw this other egg. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Man, doesn't this look good, y'all? Whew, man. Where am I gonna dive in? Let's do the small piece first. Look at this. Got that sausage, even though it's smaller than I wanted, but that looks good. That egg looks good. Veggies, bacon. Let's come over here to the side. That is delicious. Got some nice heat from that serrano pepper. Nice crunchiness on that bacon, those veggies. Yeah, we like our bacon a little more well done. Man, that is good. That sausage is right. That's perfect. Couldn't ask for a better breakfast sandwich than that if you ask me. Well, I'm gonna get in and eat my breakfast then. Appreciate you guys coming along. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, let's get on to the next one. We're gonna be doing a real good burger tonight with that extra bacon that I made, so check into that one.